One rifleman at 12 Assam Rifles Kudengthabi checkpost allegedly molested women. IPS officer who is currently serving as Yairipur police station SDPO. DGP LM Kaute launches first ever dog squad of Manipur Police Department at Imphal West Police Complex in Namdal. Communist Party of India along with like-minded political parties gears up to protest Citizenship Amendment Act for 10 days starting from January 21st. And 3-day 11th state-level Lowroy Festival begins at Hayu Park in Paying, Kunjao of Imphal West. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. One rifleman of 12 Assam Rifles of Kudengthabi checkpost under Mori police station has reportedly molested and harassed one woman IPS officer who is currently serving as SDPO of Yairipur police station under Thoubal district police. Manipur DGP LM Kaute has termed the incident as unfortunate and has ordered to take legal actions against culprits involved in the incident. Technopal police station lodged an FIR following a written complaint filed by the victim IPS officer. The case was then transferred to More police station and rifleman PK Pandey was summoned to reach Molire police station by 10th this morning. However, there is no report of rifleman Pandey arriving at More police station.
Adugidu khara unfortunate oibane aduna ekoi Assam Rifle authorities singasu phaunai aduga manasu complaint ama lodge towi aduga madudi it's an illegal issue now adu ekoina ye kari tobu yabra legal process adum chatharga adu matung ina adum yengbatai.
SDPO of Yairipur police station, a woman IPS officer was allegedly molested and physically assaulted by a personnel of 12 Assam Rifles at Kudengthabi checkpost yesterday afternoon. The SDPO along with her team was returning from an official visit in Mori. Impact News sources said one personnel of 12 Assam Rifles Delta Company called PK Pandey threatened IPS officer at around 1:30 p.m. The Assam Rifles personnel reportedly denied passage and detained them at the checkpost despite showing their ID cards. PK Pandey also allegedly hurled abusive words against the woman IPS officer and threatened her against calling her senior officer. The personnel tried to snatch her phone away and even physically assaulted her in the act. When her team tried to intervene and contain the situation, the Assam Rifles personnel got into argument and started hurting them as well. Upon apprising a senior officer in 26 Assam Rifles DIG, Major of Kudengthabi post rushed to contain the situation. Later, an FIR was lodged at Technopal police station. Impact News sources also said investigation is still underway about the scuffles that occurred between the police and the Assam Rifles. Director General of Police of Manipur Police LM Kaute launched the first ever dog squad for Manipur Police Department at Imphal West Police Complex in Lamphel today. The dog squad comprises of 4 Belgian Malinois and 8 trainers. Speaking on the occasion, DGP LM Kaute said that the dog squad will be useful in tackling the prevailing law and order situation and drug smuggling cases in the state. He said a dog squad was much needed for the Manipur police and the government finally approved for the same. Subsequently, the 4 Belgian Malinois and 8 special trainers were trained at Dog Training Center of Punjab Police in Bangalore. He also stated that there will be no need to hire dogs from other agencies during VIP visits in the state as the police has its own dog squad now. It may be mentioned that Manipur Police Department is already utilizing 2 well-trained Labradors under the supervision of DGP LM Kaute.
Chahi 5 years mamang da khoina khoi gi Labrador pup procure torega ani se semgat laga sumaina khoi canine service utilize to khi bane last about 5 years khoi gi drug scenario si yangaga adui mathakta security scenario si yangaga breed se aphaba aduga properly train to ba amaje darka we haiba Manipur police na field se kanna to ba matung le khoina Punjab ki dog training center duga phauna raga khoina government gi permission lo raga government na approval pi ba matung da Belgium Malino mari se procure to bane aduda hojik se full flat haiba tai canine service khoi mayam people of Manipur ge interest khoi na pi bangam ni haina asa yam chaun chahi
Communist Party of India, CPI, along with various like-minded political parties, will carry out protest demonstration against the Citizenship Amendment Act for 10 days. State Secretary of CPI, Manipur State Council, Laishram Sotin Kumar, declared the same during a media interaction held at CPI office in Irabad Bhavan, Imphal today. He said, arguments are all set to carry out agitations in different parts of the state from January 21st till 30th. He also said the decision to protest was taken during an exclusive meeting of the like-minded political parties in New Delhi on January 13th. Sotin Kumar further said that the protest will be launched during the 15th Statehood Day observance at Irabad Bhavan in Imphal on January 21st.
January kulhumdoida Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ki mapok namitta Bharat ki mana piram Jai Hind ki slogan madu mapung phana bidamakta Bharat ki apunba adu loirana madu sagatna bagi khwaidi maru oiba numit ase press club ta lep dor singna sillaga pangtokna ba sangjan gani January kuntrada Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi bu RSS ki luchingba Nathuram Gosen hatkhiba ningsing bagi palon tobuga loirana Bharat sidaida Jati masen marakta chana chinana leminana bagi adu iroinana CA gi mayokta thengnana bagi akanba campaign mayam singhen gani constitution si ngakna bagi communal harmony porokna ba adu loinana leipa asida secular oiba policy hen mapangan kanana bagi damakta khoi miyam tinba mafam kaya da constitution gi preamble se pangthoktana paksan miyam da khanghan ba tahan ba wasak ba sigi pangthokna ba khoi silangi
Public Health and Engineering Department Minister Losi Dikko has assured that state government is committed to provide safe drinking water to every household in both hills and valley regions of the state by 2022. He was speaking at the workshop on Jal Jeevan Mission and Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin organized by PHED today in the Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal. He said the workshop aimed to enlighten the relevant government officials on the missions which aimed to provide safe drinking water and to bring a clean and neat environment. Minister Losi Dikko said Jal Jeevan Mission aims to provide safe drinking water to every household in India by 2024, but in Manipur efforts are on under the initiative of Chief Minister N. Biren to provide safe drinking water by 2022. He said all the relevant officials have major role in making the mission a success. Top government officials, deputy commissioners and department officials took part in the workshop.
The Government of India, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, it is targeted to give tap water to every household by 2024. But our state government, we decided to implement this project, this mission, by 2022. That is our commitment. And now, very fortunately, the GGM mission is coming. With this, we're hopeful to fulfill our target, our committed dream. As we all know, the water, providing good water drinking to the people is so important for our life, and it is one of the most important priorities for the state also.
Nauriya Pakang Lakpa MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra has claimed that BJP-led state government has ensured free education under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA to children in the state. He was speaking at the reception of new BJP entrants at his residence in Lamphel today. MLA Subhash Chandra added that many underprivileged children in Nauriya Pakhang Lakpa constituency have been provided free education along with free school uniforms and bags under BJP-led state government school Phagadhansi mission. He criticized that such privilege was denied by the previous government. 23 people who have recently joined the BJP after previously serving as workers of Indian National Congress and other political parties were given a warm welcome on the occasion.
Marumega high school da pre-nursery na class ke pause mashigi school sida number father singo arugi mama bapa na pukuriwa persase angang dugi tipi sarawa na angang dugi sarta dugi khub angang dugu sarta dugu yum dugi school power tilapa school dugi yum power mashigi ni mama na bapa na pukuriwa free education ke service शिक्षा अभियान में खाना मेरे प्रजे मशीन बाल भाई मतलब दुगी मिलके मिलके लगी बड़ी बड़ी तो तवीर तो बयान दिखो ये कोई ना की मालूम है गाइस मुकुम भाव स्कूल में कोई बनेगी मणिपुर सरकार की पता नहीं है ये प्रोग्राम जो था याव देना है दुकान पुण्य का तरागा उन्दोई अनुभव बिल्डिंग का कोई सारेगा तूने संगा ना
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan has stressed on the need to instill good education in children right from their early age to turn them into responsible citizens of the country. He was speaking at the annual day celebration of S.V. Gatwell School at Houghtel today. Dr. R.K. Ranjan urged parents to have a mutual understanding with their children regarding career options. He also appealed to teachers to impart various skills to their students apart from academic knowledge. Titiula Kingley Sembasana Jaubo was also present on the occasion.
Laibak ama saukapada khwaidagi luna sangirse ihal hanbada mama mapani ko aduga ani subana school and institution da leriba oja sing sini mama mapa se karino haye khore nete yengbiu no magi pung kun mari sigi manungda school da lakadoi se hardly 6 to 8 hours pung taruk taina nipan khakani oja ga lone gadoi se pung kun mari manungda remaining du kanaga loinai mama mapa ga loina bangaktani United Kingdom gi any imung amada masa sing larik tamba thaba haibase parent to ki duty neba project ki bharat ki samvidhana right to education airi neba UK dadi right to education say it should be compulsorily provided by the parent by the family ado ko ki bharat sarkar na nation da piri neba ani sigi khena basi su yemo.
Week-long Beti Bachao Beti Parao campaign under the Social Welfare Department has been launched across the state. The campaign will be carried out in 5 hill districts and 3 valley districts under the respective deputy commissioners till January 26. Social Welfare Department along with Childline Nodal Organization organized a consultative meet on Beti Bachao Beti Parao campaign for Panchayat members at a conference held of the Department of Anthropology, Manipur University today. Deputy Director CP K. Saroja, Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, Imphal West, Thiam Raj Kishore, and many Panchayat members of Imphal West took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, Joint Director of Social Welfare Department, ICDS, Bunty Singh Kontojam said that child sex ratio of India is very low and child sex ratio of Manipur is much improved as compared to other states, stressing on the need to create awareness on gender equality, especially in the remote areas. He asserted that the event aimed to facilitate elected Pradhan members who are working at the grassroots level in spreading the awareness. Bunty Singh Kontaujam disclosed that Social Welfare Department will organize a mega event as a part of the campaign at City Convention on January 24th. He added that eminent women personalities of the state will be felicitated at the event.
Ngasi conference with koi tonga tonga ba koi panchayat ki members sing ngasi akoi na pangthok charbi gi maru be thim di akoi na district level da state level da akoi na tor matung da koi ki block da koi ki khungang da lerap da koi na pangthok pati koi ki nipi oi be sing angang sing ji akoi na yarang kai makoi bu nupa macha singa cha manana hak manana koi ki yengbi ba moi belai malai chu phan tamang bi ba thabai khang ji yum de ki mapan thok tana yum gi chaphum de chun ba adum khak ki thabak Togani hai wakan chi tato minasi hai bis kono si ngasi ki thim ji da koina grassroots level da leiba padan members singbo ngasi ki conference bu yaubina naba koina kantu jabni.
Irang Bridge on National Highways Imphal-Ziribam Road is in a deplorable condition, bringing immense blights to commuters. Heavily loaded goods trucks coming from Ziribam towards Imphal are at risk of crossing the bridge. Vehicles are queuing up as it takes nearly an hour to cross the bridge.
Lepale. Line loina. Problem am thene si lambi de. Tha chale do sem do ni humni mari ni chang. Sem di seman ni. Hoida. Apabo ka lambi ni thong ga apabo ni.
Women vendors of Khairamban Temporary Market got into intense brawl today, sustaining injury to 4 vendors. Victims Bilashini, Secretary of Panthoibi Sanakaital Bimola, Sanatombi and Salata were rushed to RIMS Hospital. Impact News sources said that the incident occurred at around 8:30 this morning. Additional SP Crime Against Women Investigation Officer Ratna, Imphal West Commando DSP Kishore Chan and Imphal Police Station SDPO Bidyapati immediately rushed to the spot to contain the situation. Police personnel kept a strict vigil in the area to avoid any further outbreak. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 11th state level Lowry Festival, which kicked off today. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. 3-day 11th state level Lowry Festival kicked off at Hayu Park in Payeng, Kunjav, Imphal West today. Organizer of the festival, Lowry Festival Observation Committee, has expressed great disappointment that Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Sekmai MLA H. Dingo and Konthojam MLA Dr. S. Ranjan have failed to keep their words to attend the inaugural event of the festival. Speaking to media, convener of Lowry Festival Observation Committee, L. Lokendro said Lowry Festival aims to preserve the age-old agricultural traditions of Manipur and to honor farmers for their contributions. He said various competitions based on farming will be held during the festival. He condemned that Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Sekmai MLA H. Dingo and Konthojam MLA Dr. S. Ranjan have disregarded farmers' fraternity by failing to attend the festival without giving proper prior notice. Chairman of Panthoibi Housing and Finance Company Limited, Tej Hemo, Padmashri L. Nabakishore, Payeng Chiftin, and Toyai Chakpa took part in inaugural event.
Civil Pangtok Punumirasida, Honorable Shyam Kumar, Sengmai Kendragi, MLA Sar Dingo, Konthojam Kendragi, MLA Sri Dr. Sapum Ranjan, Yobi on Haizabada, Yobi Gedana, Yabi Rega, Ekoi, Baton, Semjagi Bane, Lomigi Maraibo Ibotuni, Engineer Singna, Doctor Silatowa, whatever Ramadi, Magui means Samatorga, CBS Dabira, whatever there, Adubu. Ekoi apikpa aton ba kanglup talai ba lomi na toru butavak ni na magoi karim ta zu arrangement taubi dana pau bawa hai boy hai do boy toramaga aru butavak le dana Delhi da kai da charki na tai machina ngasi oraga jo atopa aphaba thabak ne na khanbi ba yabi gi butavak sing da di chimge joi ka ni adu oi ge na yabi gi ba sing do joi dana yabi no bo na view.
President of Republican Party of India, Athawale Manipur State Committee Maheshwar Thaunaujam handed over street lamps to senior citizens of Kangimpally Panthak Pankha in Kaishamthong constituency today. Speaking to media, Maheshwar Thaunaujam said that most of the streets in Kaishamthong constituency remain dark at night with the absence of street lights, thus facilitating criminal activities. He is sure of initiating various welfare activities for other parts of Kaishamthong constituency in the near future. Maheshwar also appealed to authorities concerned to look into people's need.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯁꯥꯝꯊꯣꯡ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁꯇ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯨꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯍꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯒꯦꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯤꯒꯠꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯨꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯍꯩꯕꯅ ꯀꯧꯔꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯆꯪꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛꯁꯨ RPIꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯒꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯨꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯛꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯥꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ
Security has beefed up in the state heart of the Republic Day celebrations 2020. As a part of the security measures, the team of Imphal East District Commando carried out door-to-door search operations at Kangla Sangomsang Awang Laikai today. The team, under the supervision of Imphal East Additional SPTH Krishna Tombi, led by Imphal East District Police ASP Thankochon Haukip, including Imphal East Commando OC, Lamlai Police OC, Women Police and 8 other commando teams, carried out a drive from 4:30 a.m. till 6:45 a.m. 43 women and 65 men were verified during the drive. One person without proper identification proofs was picked up for further verification. A team of Imphal West District Police led by SP Imphal West K. Megachandra, Additional SP Operations Amarjit Lamapam, DSP R. Muhammad Riyazuddin, OC Singtamay Police M. Sudhir and Inspector Women Reserved E. Ayang Laima, along with 2 commando teams and police personnel from Singtamay Police and Reserve Line, also conducted cordon and search operations at Singtamay Oinam Tingel. Altogether, 241 people, including 3 underground bailouts and 11 tenants, were verified during the drive. After spot verification, 3 bailouts and 4 tenants were picked up for further verification at Singtamay Police Station. Sources said that they were released after verification. A police team of Imphal West also verified occupants of 7 hotels in Pauna Bazaar from 8:30 a.m. till 10:45 a.m. today. No one was picked up during the verification. As a part of the security measures taken ahead of the Republic Day celebration, Thoubal District Police team also carried out door-to-door search operations at Langathel Maning Laikai today. The team led by Thoubal Additional SP Operations Soibam Sachidananda, including Thoubal Commando, women personnel and personnel of Kongjom Police Station, carried out a drive from 5:15 a.m. till 7 a.m. The team verified altogether 240 people from around 130 households. The team also carried out search operations at Thoubal Kekman Amokon Laikai from 4 p.m. till 4:40 p.m. today and verified altogether 70 individuals from 30 households. District Police Bishnupur also carried out cordon and search operations at Nambol Bazaar this afternoon. The team led by Bishnupur District Commando Officer in Charge Inspector Luthang Waifai under the supervision of Bishnupur District SP Priyadarshini Laishram carried out a drive from 3:30 till 4 p.m. Altogether, 250 people were verified during the drive. 4 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up for further verification at Nambol Police Station. 15 Assam Rifles Chingarel Tezpur organized a joint employment fair at Chingarel Tezpur ground as a part of its civic action program today. 6 stalls of GCR, E-Skills Solutions, Hotel Yaipaba, Tata Motors, Department of Veterinary and Animal Minorities and OBC and Army were opened at the fair. Five-day integrated training program exclusively for the head and teachers of schools under Autonomous District Council, ADC Chandal District, kicked off at the conference hall of ADC Chandal in Monsang Pantha Village, Chandal District today. SCERT, Manipur, along with Education Department of ADC Chandal, organized a training program under Teachers Holistic Advancement NISTA program. Many state resource persons will provide training at around 715 heads and teachers of the schools at the program. One-day workshop on English speaking and its answers was held at a conference hall of Tomcho Ibeton Memorial Academy in Hyangthang today. Assistant Professor of International College, University of Suwon, South Korea, L.C. Jiwine was the resource person of the event. Attendees discussed about challenges facing English teachers while speaking the English language. KM Blooming Higher Secondary School at Kangabok in Thoubal District held its 32nd Foundation Day celebration at the school campus today. Annual prize distribution ceremony was also held on the occasion. Students showcased various cultural and traditional performances at the event. Students who have successfully passed the examinations conducted by board and council were felicitated on the occasion. Peace and Freedom Academy Thoubal Hauka held its 16th Foundation Day today, and adult tinkering lab was also opened at the academy on the occasion. The school felicitated its meritorious students at the event. Tampayay Cultural Academy Wangkai Kuman held its second foundation today. Nambol MLA and Loken, Pana Pandit of Manipur Pandit Loishang, Lai Loken, cultural activist in Thauja Lancha attended the event. Cultural performances highlighted the occasion. The 11th Pragjoti International Dance Festival will be held at Guwahati's Shri Manta Sankardeva Kala Kshetra from January 31st to February 1st. Artists of Jawaharlal Manipur Dance Academy will perform Pungcholom at the curtain raiser of the festival on January 31st. Volunteers of Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA destroyed large quantities of country liquors today. They seized 1,000 litres of liquors from the hotels located opposite of ISPT in Kuman Lampak, Imphal East during the anti-liquor drive. And now the sports news. UBFC Mark Kulien dropped BBU Barak Circle by 7-0 in the last quarter-final match of the first Moirang Themjyotis Chandra Memorial Invitation Football Tournament 2020 today. 16 teams are competing in a tournament organized by Old Ziribam Sports Association at Ziribam Higher Secondary School Playground since January 3rd. Sunrise Club Kadamtala will play against Ziri Police in the semi-final match tomorrow. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. One rifleman of 12 Assam Rifles Kudeng Thabi checkpost allegedly molested woman IPS officer who is currently serving as Yaripok Police Station STPO. DGP LM Kaute launches first ever dog squad of Manipur Police Department at Imphal West Police Complex in Lamphel. Communist Party of India, along with like-minded political parties, gears up to protest Citizenship Amendment Act for 10 days, starting from January 21st. And 3-day 11th state-level Lauroi Festival begins at Hayu Park in Payeng Kunjao of Imphal West.